मेरे मित्र तथा सहयोगी मनोज सिन्हा जी, तमशेद जी, रेल बोर्ड के सभी सदस्यगण और यहाँ पर मौजूद सभी मीडिया के भाई बहन और अन्य सदस्यगण, आज हम लोग आलोक परियोजना की जो शुरुआत कर रहे हैं, इसका जिक्र हमारे बजट में किया गया था और एक अच्छी तकरीब हमारे सभी यहाँ के सहयोगी ने निकाली कि बजट में क्या कहा था और इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे हो रहा है। और जो कहा था कथनी और करनी में फर्क नहीं होना चाहिए, तो ये देख भी सकते कि जो कहा था असलियत में किस तरह से आ रहे हो, कितने कम समय में आ रहे हैं। तो मैं सबसे पहले सभी जमशेद और उनके सभी सहयोगियों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि 4-5 अलग अलग कार्यक्रमों के लिए हम लोगों ने आज उसकी शुरुआत की। सबसे पहले पिछले बजट में 16 नहीं 15 अक्टूबर के बजट में हमने कहा था कि एक पोर्टल बनाया जाएगा कस्टमर सर्विस के लिए, और उसके लिए एक पोर्टल चल भी रहा है। लेकिन जैसे हमने देखा है कि इतने बड़े रफ्तार से टेक्नोलॉजी में भी बदलाव आ रहे हैं, लोगों की काम करने की पद्धति में भी बदलाव आ रहे हैं। इसके लिए बहुत ही जल्द हमें we have to keep acting very fast on changes that are taking place and to capture those changes in our own working system. तो हम लोगों ने जो लोगों की शिकायत है, लोगों के सुझाव है, इसके लिए आज तो दो सोशल मीडिया के मेजर प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, फेसबुक और ट्विटर, उसको तो इंटीग्रेट किया है। लेकिन जिस तरह से हमने ये बजट स्पीच में कहा था, वो भी बहुत जल्द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होगा। हम लोग एक ही नंबर करेंगे, एक ही ऐप रहेगा। वो एक ऐप पूरी तरह से कस्टमर सर्विस रिलेटेड जो भी चीजें होगी उसके लिए होगा, जिस टिकटिंग के रिलेटेड जो होगी, जो भी टिकटिंग के लिए, वेदर इट इज रिलेटेड टू रिजर्वेशन, कैंसिलेशन और रिलेटेड टू दैट, एंड अदर ऐप विल बी फॉर अदर इशू। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अंडर प्रिपरेशन। वो हमारे कहाँ गए जो कर रहे, वर्किंग ऑन इट। और ये हमारे एक IIT के इंजीनियर है, तो जो हमारे इनके इंचार्ज है। तो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इट। ऑलरेडी ट्विटर 24/7 हम लोग उसके ऊपर अभी काम करते हैं। लोगों की जो कंप्लेंट्स आते हैं, नॉट ओनली ट्विटर, ईच एंड एवरी कंप्लेंट दैट वी रिसीव इज कन्वर्टेड थ्रू अ डैशबोर्ड, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एन एक्शनेबल पॉइंट। ऑल एक्शन टेकन, दिस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू 2 parts broadly, redressal as well as MIS, management information system, so that what corrective action can be taken is already integrated into that. I am very proud to say this is a very unique system anywhere in the world. Considering the magnitude, considering the complexities, considering the real on-time addressing the issues. So this is really, and I must compliment all my colleagues who are doing this here. So this is also another, very soon we'll invite all our friends here again for launching that new app. Policy allowing differentially able person to avail concession while traveling without escort is also was part of the budget, which is now under implementation. I am sure this will also help our good friend, Divyang friend, who will be able to do this. Railway के लिए 2/3 of the income comes from freight, and because of so many things happening around us, which is totally external to railways, the freight volumes, the type of competition we are going to face from road, from air traffic, and from other means. Therefore, we'll have to keep constantly finding out new sources of revenue. Parcel is one of the growing business in the country. We had to work on that, and therefore, but this cannot just because we want to do it, people are going to come. We have to liberalize the policies. We have to study why the people are not coming, and therefore, this is a major step which has been taken to get parcel traffic by coming out with comprehensive parcel leasing policy and policy for parcel cargo express trains. Both are necessary. You can have leasing policy, but वो जाएगा कहाँ से? Parcel has to move from one end to another. So we also needed the trains for that. So this is also a major departure, and this is, I'm sure, will add, hopefully in the next few years, a lot of new business to the railway. And one more very important thing, and this I think even we could not even imagine about some time ago, that we could have a container train service which will be timetabled. This again was mentioned in the budget too, because typically goods train कब पहुंचेंगी? एक तो you have to have a good astrologer with you, or you should be very lucky. Abhi now we are sure that it will reach at particular time. We are taking responsibility, and this is going to reduce the turnaround time by almost half. This is really tremendous. For example, the time that is today taking and how much time it's going to reduce, as you could see, it is almost less than half, or say half. So this is something very important, and therefore now I hope we can get more business, and this is container cargo. So I think even the Container Corporation of India, will also able to add value. Mr. Gupta is sitting there. The Northern Railway General Manager is also there. So I think we'll also be able to get new business for the railways through this process. As it is, we are seeing a change of the pattern in which the cargo is handled. The profile of cargo movement has changed dramatically over the period of last 2 decades. Now it is mainly container as cargo anywhere in the world. And therefore, container as cargo is something which is actually going to help reduce pilferages, help movement faster. Also, multimodal transportation becomes easier. The moment the cargo goes by train, it can be very easily transshipped into the other modes of transportation, whether it's by road or others, and therefore this is also very helpful. So this is again a very important development. We are just wondering what this train should be called, because Mr. Gamshar has given some names and you are asking us. Normally, when a child is born, it is a very difficult choice कि उसका नाम क्या देना चाहिए. तो उसके ऊपर बहुत झगड़े भी होते हैं. So luckily there is no disagreement. So we agreed to create a name which will be called as Cargo Express. So this train will be called as Cargo Express, and therefore I think the appropriate name. Express speed se chalegi, cargo hi hai. So I think it's a very simple name, and so therefore this is called as Cargo Express. So this is also christening ceremony, not just a launch ceremony, but also christening ceremony to decide what it should be called as. So normally, Jamshedji, for your information, आप जब किसी बच्चे का नाम देते हो तो सबको स्पीड भी दी जाती है. तो आपने दिया नहीं है, इसके लिए we'll have to be accountable for it, and maybe we'll remind you next time you have to give it to it. So लेकिन this is the beginning of implementation of several measures. I keep appealing, and I again once again appeal to all my friends in the business, industry, trade, that railway has walked a lot of distance to reach you. This is unprecedented. Every year we used to only increase the fare. Consequently, we are losing the share. We are now taking number of measures to bring back the road, the cargo back to us. There are already some externalities which I told you. For example, and rightly so, the policy is absolutely right, that we are doing is movement of coal now will go closer to the mine. But when the railway lines are designed, they're designed on a completely different basis. So therefore, we'll have to adjust to this. It's going to take time. And therefore, in the short term, while we'll get volumes, but we may not get as much of the revenue. So we are still working on it. And I must give again credit to all my colleagues all over the railways that we are really trying to live up to the challenge. And therefore, we are trying to do all this. So this is a major step, whether it's a timetable train, whether it is getting new business from the cargo by doing the new, this is a completely new vertical, new line of business. This, we are only doing this. It's not that we have never handled parcel business, but a type of parcel share of business that we want to get is significantly higher than what we are getting today. So this will be another important thing, and this is the beginning of that process. So I hope the industry and everybody also comes forward, join hands with us to share the new growing opportunities the railway offers. So I really wish to congratulate all of you. There are many of the announcements are getting implemented. Most of the budget announcements have been converted into actionable point. They have been monitored regularly on a weekly basis. All my colleagues who are members here, they actually diligently follow it on a week to week basis. So I think we'll be able to implement it. Soon our member mechanical year will launch the new train products, whether it is the Tejas or whether it Antodaya will be the first one. And this is already, a lot of design has been made. I think we should also put it on the website, the design, so that we can get whatever suggestions people want to give about how it look like, and also put it in a multimedia platform so people can walk through it. So so the design can be seen just as a static design. One can walk through the design. So if people want to give a suggestion on change of design, we can also take it on board. So I think these again will be very soon launched. Soon we'll launch Deen Dayalu coaches. That also almost designing is ready. So I think more or less we are trying to implement all of this. I am very happy that today we could take some steps. Divyang is another very important initiative. something which we feel, and we are actually designing also accessibility on even on how to climb the train, how to go to toilets. So at least one platform will keep accessible for the Divyangs also to access. So I think these are also under implementation. So thank you very much, and again congratulations to Jamshed and his team.